Hey guys and gals, Ron Ipach here. Thanks for watching this really quick video. The other day I asked a really important question. What kind of business do you want to own? Okay, so let's say you're a shop owner and you love working on cars and that's your life's ambition, to be turning wrenches for the rest of your life, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. If you started your business so that you can do more of that and you created a good solid job for yourself, congratulations. Work on cars all day long because that's the business that you want. However, this is what happens most of the time. When I'm talking with shop owners, they want a business that's going to continually grow. They want to maximize the space they have. They want to make a lot more money and get a lot more freedom and a lot more time to do what they want, when they want, with whoever they want. But the actions they're taking every day are taking them further away from that goal. In other words, they're turning wrenches all day long, or they're selling service. They're working in the business instead of on the business. It comes as no secret that the only way your business is going to grow is to actually grow the business. In other words, do what's required to grow the business. Okay, so what's required to grow a business? If you don't want to be turning wrenches all day, you need to replace yourself. Get somebody in there to replace you to work on the cars. If you're the one selling service, you got to get somebody to replace you selling service. In other words, you got to use leverage. You got to use other people's labor to give you more time. And what you're going to do with that time is you're going to start working on the business. You start looking at the growth strategies that are going to get you to that next level and get you to the business that you originally intended to have. Okay, so let's be very clear. What do you want to accomplish? Do you want to work on cars, or do you want to grow the business? And then take the actions and make the decisions that are going to take you closer to whatever your goal is. Thanks for watching.